went cold. Daddy's laugh, a ghost untold. Mama's hands, rough but warm, held my heart through every storm. She worked the nights, she worked the days, never let me lose my way. Every scar she turned to gold, taught me strength, taught me bold. Oh, you raised me up from the ashes, from the dust, with your love, with your trust. You taught me how to rise above. Oh, you raised me up when the world felt far too tough. Now I'm standing here, and it's enough. 18 springs I stood in line, army green, a heart of mine, letters home, my only prayer. Mama, I'm still standing there. Through the mud, through the rain, you were the voice in my pain. No retreat, no surrender. Now you raised me up, you showed me how. Oh, you raised me up when the world felt far too tough. Now I'm standing here, and it's enough. And if I stumble, if I break, I'll hear your words, I'll feel your faith. No goodbye, just carry on. With your love, I'll never be gone. Oh, you raised me up. Now I walk, now I fly. With your love, I touch the sky. You raise me up, my battle cry. Oh, you raised me up. Now I walk, now I fly. With your love, I touch the sky. You raise me up, my battle cry. Joining the army, maintaining connection. Emotional climax, promise to persevere.